Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can delete your Outlook account. So for that you need to do this process on the web browser. You cannot delete your account from the mobile application. So first of all, open a browser on your PC and then open a new tab. So on the search bar type in outlook.com, press enter. It will direct you to the official web page. There you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in, you need to click on the profile name over here at the right side. Click on it. And then you need to click on My Microsoft Account. Click open that. Now once you're at the Microsoft account page, you need to click on Your Information on the top. Click on that. On this page, you need to scroll down and inside Account Information, you will have Close Account. You click open that. In this page, Microsoft will provide you the information for how you can close your Microsoft account. Here, you just need to scroll down and look for a link Close Your Account over here. There you can see, you click open that. Again, few more information will be provided to you before you delete your account. Here, the most important is last line of this page. So here, basically what it says is you have at least 30 or 60 days time period before your account closes permanently. So in between that, if you choose to reactivate, you can just log in with your account details and you will be logged in. If not, if you click on 30 days, your account will get permanently deleted after 30 days time period. So if you're sure that you want to delete your account, you click on next over here. Over here, you need to go through all the information and you need to click on the checkbox over here. You need to make sure that you click all these checkbox. And at the end, you need to provide a reason for why you choose to close this account. And click on Mark Account for Closure. Now your Outlook account has been listed to be closed on the given date over here. So this is how you can delete your Microsoft account or the Outlook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.